How can you recover your Facebook account if you no longer have access to your email and phone number? Nowadays, it is very difficult to recover a Facebook account because Facebook rarely shows recovery methods like video selfie verification or submitting a valid ID. Especially now that Facebook is becoming stricter due to continuous algorithm updates. This is also because of the increasing number of hacking incidents, fake ID submissions, social engineering attacks, and unauthorized access attempts. So in this video, we will share based on our experience, experiments, and research the possible method on how to trigger the verification using a video selfie or submitting a valid ID to recover your Facebook account. Disclaimer: this method is based only on our experience, experiments, and research. If it does not work for you, it still depends on the status of your account. Okay, let's start. We all know that to trigger the verification using video selfie or valid ID submission, usually the requirements are the same device where you previously logged in your account and the same network or location. But because Facebook is now stricter, it is now harder to trigger these options. So what we will do is try to recover the Facebook account by confirming our identity using a valid ID. We need Facebook to see that we are trying to recover the account. Even if we fail, that is okay. What we want is for Facebook to detect the recovery flow until we reach the Confirm Your Identity option using a valid ID. In this method, we will use a mobile phone, but you can also do this on a desktop computer. First, open any web browser and go to m.facebook.com. Now we will try to log in even if we forgot the password. Type the password that you remember or the old password you used before. This way, Facebook may detect that the password is somehow related and that you just forgot it. Since the password is incorrect, Facebook will ask for a verification code that will be sent to your email or mobile number. The problem is you no longer have access to those. Now tap Try Another Way. Now to let Facebook see that we are really trying to access our account, we will attempt again. Since we still cannot open the account, we will now go to Facebook Help Center Account Recovery using the same web browser. Use the same browser that you used earlier so Facebook can record the recovery flow using the same device and browser. Now in the Help Center Recovery page, scroll down and find I can't access the email or mobile number on my account. Now we will try to recover the account from here. Tap Recover. Since Facebook cannot verify the recovery attempt, we will now try to confirm our identity using a valid ID, still using the same browser and same device. Tap Confirm Your Identity. Then tap Upload an ID to Facebook. Then open the article. Now tap the list of acceptable types of IDs. Here you will see the types of IDs that you can upload later for confirming your identity. Why do we need to upload an ID? According to Facebook, if you've lost access to your account, you may be asked to send a copy of something with your name or age on it. This means Facebook will use your ID to confirm that you are the real owner of the account. What will happen to the ID we upload to Facebook? According to Facebook, when you send your ID, it will be stored securely. Your ID won't be visible on your profile, to friends, or to other people on Facebook. This means your ID is secure and only used for identity verification. How does Facebook review our ID? According to Facebook, to help ensure that IDs used for identity confirmation are genuine, we use both manual review and automated systems. This means Facebook checks your ID using automated systems and sometimes manual review. Now, to upload a valid ID, still using the same browser and same device, search Confirm Your Identity. Tap Choose Files. Then select the photo of your valid ID from your gallery. Then tap Send. Now we need to wait for 24 to 48 hours or more. This depends on Facebook because they use automated systems and manual review, and it also depends on the account status. Now, how do we know if our identity is verified? Unfortunately, there is usually no notification, especially if you no longer have access to your email or phone number. What we can do is, after waiting 24 to 48 hours or more, try to log in again and go to the recovery options. If you see Try Another Way or options like take a video selfie or upload a valid ID, it means there is a chance that your identity has been confirmed. After a few days, we will now try to recover the Facebook account again. This time, we will use the Facebook app using the same device that we used to upload the valid ID. Tap Create New Account. Then find My Account. Type the mobile number or email address of your account. Then Continue. Since we no longer have access to the email or mobile number, tap Try Another Way. Then tap No longer have access to these. If Facebook has confirmed your identity, there will now be a recover option. Tap Recover. Then tap Show More. There you have it. The options. Take a video selfie and upload a valid ID are now visible. Now we just choose which recovery method we want. I will choose the video selfie. Tap Continue. Now we need to enter a new active email address because Facebook will send the new verification code there. Then Continue. Check the new email address for the verification code. Then type it here. Then Continue. Now we can take a selfie video. Tap Continue. Follow the instructions. Tap Start Selfie. After taking the video selfie, just wait for Facebook to review it. And there you go. We can now create a new password. Then Continue. There you have it. Finally, we have recovered and opened our Facebook account. Remember, this method still depends on the status of your account. If this method does not work for you, there may be several reasons. Does the account name match your ID? Is the ID clear? Do you have a profile picture showing your face? Did you use the same device, same location? Or it depends on the security status of the account. So, while you still have access to your account, it is better to secure it now. Update your password, add a backup email, add a phone number, enable two-factor authentication. It is easier to secure your account than to recover it after losing access. Hope this video helps. See you in the next video tips and tricks.